Bit windy, Sky, isn't it? Come on in. Where are you going? Oh, here she goes. Nutcase. Finished? No. She loves it, mate. Don't look great over there. That looks lovely there.